Pelajaran nomor 32. Dalam pelajaran ini, Anda akan mempelajari tentang sarana transportasi yang digunakan tokoh-tokoh kita. Dengarkan percakapannya.
Listen to this conversation. Kate, how do you travel to your work?
I ride by bus. Then I go by subway.
How many stations do you have to take?
5 short stations.
How long does it take you to get to work?
About 45 minutes.
Listen again. Kate, how do you travel to your work?
I ride by bus. Then I go by subway.
How many stations do you have to take?
5 short stations.
How long does it take you to get to work?
About 45 minutes.
John bertanya kepada Kate.
How do you travel to your work? How do you travel? To travel.
Bepergian.
Travel. Oh. 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 Vo. 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 Tra. 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 Travel.
Bagaimana Anda bepergian?
How do you travel? How do you travel?
Ya, saya suka bepergian.
Yes, I love to travel. Yes, I love to travel.
Saya sering bepergian.
I travel a lot. I travel a lot.
Saya akan bepergian ke Spanyol.
I will travel to Spain. I will travel to Spain.
Apakah Anda akan bepergian ke Amerika?
Are you going to travel to America? Are you going to travel to America?
Ya, saya akan ke sana.
Yes, I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to.
Sekarang katakan, sekarang sudah hari Senin lagi.
It's Monday again. It's Monday again.
Minggu yang baru telah dimulai lagi.
A new week has started again. A new week has started again.
Anda melakukannya lagi.
You did it again. Did it again.
Saya harus pergi bekerja sekarang.
I have to go to work now. I have to go to work now.
Saya bekerja di kantor.
I work in an office. I work in an office.
Di mana Kate bekerja?
Where does Kate work? Where does Kate work?
Jawab bahwa dia bekerja di kantor.
She works in an office. She works in an office.
Saya seorang arsitek.
I'm an architect. I'm an architect.
Siapa dia? Dia seorang arsitek.
Who is she? She's an architect. Who is she? She's an architect.
Apa pekerjaan Anda?
What is your occupation? What's your occupation?
Saya bekerja sebagai arsitek.
My occupation is an architect. My occupation is an architect.
Apakah Anda merancang bangunan baru?
Do you design new buildings? Do you design new buildings?
Ya, saya merancang. Saya seorang arsitek.
Yes, I do. I'm an architect. Yes, I do. I'm an architect.
Apakah Anda melihat bangunan ini?
Do you see this building? Do you see this building?
Yang mana? Bangunan di sebelah kiri?
Which one? The building on the left? Which one? The building on the left?
Ya, itu rumah saya.
Yes, that's my house. Yes, that's my house.
Mari kita kembali ke dialog. Kate berkata,
I ride by bus. Then I go by subway.
saya naik bis.
I ride by bus. To ride.
Naik.
To ride. I'd. 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 Rye. Rye. Ride. Ride. Ride.
Saya naik bis.
I ride by bus. I ride by bus.
Saya pulang dengan berkendara.
I ride home. I ride home.
Saya pulang kantor dengan berkendara.
I ride home from work. I ride home from work.
Then I go by subway.
Lalu saya pergi menggunakan kereta bawah tanah.
Then,
Lalu,
then. And the then. Subway,
kereta bawah tanah.
subway. Sub. Way. 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 Sub. 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 Subway.
Lalu saya pergi menggunakan kereta bawah tanah.
Then I go by subway. Then I go by subway.
Saya berkendara ke kantor dengan bis dan kereta bawah tanah.
I ride to work by bus and subway. I ride to work by bus and subway.
Saya memulai perjalanan dengan kereta bawah tanah, lalu naik bis.
I start my travel by subway, then I go by bus. I start my travel by subway, then I go by bus. How many stations do you have to take?
Berapa banyak stasiun yang harus Anda lewati?
How many stations?
Berapa banyak stasiun?
Station.
Stasiun.
An. Shen. Station. Stay. Station.
Berapa banyak stasiun yang harus Anda lewati?
How many stations do you have to take? How many stations do you have to take?
Di manakah stasiun kereta bawah tanah?
Where is the subway station? Where is the subway station?
Berapa harga untuk 5 tiket stasiun?
How much is the 5-station ticket? How much is the 5-station ticket? Listen. How many stations do you have to take?
5 short stations. 5 short stations.
5 stasiun jarak dekat.
Listen and repeat.
Short.
Dekat.
Short. Ort. 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 Shaw. Shaw. Short. Short.
5 stasiun jarak dekat.
5 short stations. 5 short stations.
Saya ingin pergi menonton film pendek.
I want to go see a short movie. I want to go see a short movie.
Bagaimana menurut Anda celana pendek ini?
What do you think about these shorts? What do you think about these shorts?
Celana pendek ini cocok dengan Anda.
These shorts fit you. These shorts fit you.
Dia pendek.
She's short. She's short.
Mari pergi makan malam singkat karena saya tidak punya banyak waktu.
Let's go on a short dinner because I don't have much time. Let's go on a short dinner because I don't have much time.
Stasiun ini berjarak dekat.
This station is short. This station is short.
Kemana Anda pergi?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Saya akan pergi ke stasiun bis.
I'm going to a bus station. I'm going to a bus station.
Maaf, di mana letak stasiun kereta bawah tanah?
Excuse me, where's the subway station? Excuse me, where's the subway station?
Anda harus berjalan lurus dan belok kanan. Stasiun berada di sebelah museum.
You have to go straight and turn right. The station is next to the museum. You have to go straight and turn right. The station is next to the museum. Listen. How long does it take you to get to work?
About 45 minutes.
Berapa waktu yang diperlukan untuk pergi ke kantor?
How long does it take you to get to work? To get.
Pergi.
Get. At. 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 Ga. 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 Get. How long does it take you to get to work? How long does it take you to get to work?
45 menit.
Listen and repeat.
40,
40.
40. T. 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 4. 4. 4. 40.
45 menit.
45 minutes. 45 minutes.
Sekarang Kate menanyakan John cara dia pergi ke kantor.
Listen to this conversation.
And how do you get to your work, John?
I drive my car.
How far is it from your house to work?
It's about 20 kilometers far, but there's always a traffic jam.
That's why I prefer subway. No traffic jam.
Listen again.
And how do you get to your work, John?
I drive my car.
How far is it from your house to work?
It's about 20 kilometers far, but there's always a traffic jam.
That's why I prefer subway. No traffic jam.
Kate bertanya,
And how do you get to your work, John?
bagaimana Anda pergi ke kantor, John? Secara harfiah, bagaimana Anda pergi ke kantor?
And how do you get to your work, John? And how do you get to your work, John?
John menjawab,
I drive my car. Listen and repeat. To drive.
mengemudi, berkendara.
Drive. V. V. I've. I've. Dry. 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 Drive.
Saya mengemudikan mobil saya.
I drive my car. I drive my car.
Saya mengemudikan mobil secara umum.
I drive my car. I drive my car.
Apakah Anda akan berbicara dengannya di telepon?
Will you talk with her on the phone? Will you talk with her on the phone?
Saya tidak bisa. Saya sekarang sedang menyetir.
I can't. I'm driving my car now. I can't. I'm driving my car now.
Apakah Anda bisa menyetir?
Can you drive? Can you drive?
Sayangnya saya tidak bisa.
Unfortunately, I can't. Unfortunately, I can't.
Apakah Anda ingat cara mengatakan apa yang Anda lakukan untuk mencari nafkah?
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
Apa yang Anda lakukan?
What do you do? What do you do?
Saya tinggal dengan adik perempuan dan anjing saya.
I live with my sister and a dog. I live with my sister and a dog.
Di mana Anda tinggal?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Ruang tamu saya sangat besar.
My living room is very big. My living room is very big.
Pekerjaan saya adalah dokter.
My occupation is a doctor. My occupation is a doctor.
Saya bekerja sebagai dokter.
I work as a doctor. I work as a doctor.
Saya seorang dokter.
I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor.
Saya merasa tidak enak badan. Saya harus pergi ke rumah sakit tertentu.
I'm not feeling well. I have to go to the hospital. I'm not feeling well. I have to go to the hospital.
Apakah Anda seorang dokter?
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor?
Jawab ya dengan kalimat penuh.
Yes, I'm a doctor. Yes, I'm a doctor.
Saya menyembuhkan orang.
I heal people. I heal people.
Saya menyembuhkan orang di rumah sakit.
I heal people in the hospital. I heal people in the hospital.
Apa spesialisasi Anda?
What is your specialization? What is your specialization?
Saya seorang kardiologis.
I'm a cardiologist. I'm a cardiologist.
Apa pekerjaan Anda?
What is your occupation? What is your occupation?
Kate bertanya,
How far is it from your house to work?
Listen and repeat.
How far?
berapa jauh?
Far.
Jauh.
Far. Far. R. 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 Far. 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 How far is it?
Seberapa jauh?
How far is it?
Seberapa jauh dari rumah Anda ke kantor?
How far is it from your house to work? How far is it from your house to work?
Seberapa jauh restoran?
How far is the restaurant? How far is the restaurant?
Tidak terlalu jauh.
It's not so far. It's not so far.
Seberapa jauh dari Amerika ke Spanyol?
How far is it from America to Spain? How far is it from America to Spain?
Ini sangat jauh.
It's very far. It's very far.
Seberapa jauh jaraknya dari kereta bawah tanah ke Golden Gate Bridge?
How far is it from Subway to the Golden Gate Bridge? How far is it from Subway to the Golden Gate Bridge?
Jauh. Anda harus berkendara dengan mobil.
It's far. You have to go by car. It's far. You have to go by car.
John memberitahukan Kate jarak dari rumah ke kantornya.
Listen. It's about 20 kilometers far, but there's always a traffic jam.
That's why I prefer Subway. No traffic jams.
It's about 20 kilometers far. About.
Sekitar.
Out. 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 Bout. Bout. About. About. About.
Pada pernyataan ini, kita membicarakan tentang jumlah dan kata
About.
yang berarti sekitar.
20 kilometers.
20 kilometer.
Listen and repeat. Kilometers.
Kilometer.
Ers. 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 Meters. 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 Kilometers. Kilometers. Kilo. 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 Kilometers.
Seberapa jauh jaraknya dari rumah Anda ke kantor?
How far is it from your house to work? How far is it from your house to work?
Jaraknya sekitar 20 kilometer.
It's about 20 kilometers far. It's about 20 kilometers far.
Jam berapa sekarang?
What time is it? What time is it?
Saya tidak tahu, sekarang sekitar jam 7.
I don't know. It's about 7 o'clock. I don't know. It's about 7 o'clock.
Berapa banyak kaos yang harus Anda beli?
How many t-shirts do you have to buy? How many t-shirts do you have to buy?
Sekitar 9 kaos.
About 9 t-shirts. About 9 t-shirts.
Jarak kafe dari sini sekitar 15 kilometer.
The cafe is about 15 kilometers far from here. The cafe is about 15 kilometers far from here. But there's always a traffic jam.
Tapi selalu ada kemacetan lalu lintas.
Always.
Selalu.
Always. A's. 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 Ways. Ways. All. 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 Always. Traffic jam.
Macet.
Traffic jam. 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 Am. Am. Ja. 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 Jam. Traffic. Fic. 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 Raffic. Raffic. Tra. 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 Traffic.
Tapi selalu ada kemacetan lalu lintas.
But there's always a traffic jam. But there's always a traffic jam.
Itulah sebabnya mengapa saya